May maganda na boy ay say kito'y buena. So then how come it has been and you better stand with me and let's get your home with me. You with me, stand with me and you're home with me.